In this episode, I'll teach you how to make a very simple alien out of balloons. At the end of the video, there's a bonus tip for the lesson. Let's get started. Start by inflating 2 green modeling balloons size 260. Remember not to inflate the balloon all the way. Leave a little free space at the end. Gently squeeze the balloons so the air shifts a bit, then tie both balloons together by their ends. Now measure 2 larger or 3 smaller hand lengths and make the first twist with both balloons. Right after that twist, make another one, also with both balloons, so that 2 small bubbles are created. Twist the bubbles together as you see in this step. Measure a section similar to the first one, make a twist, and then another one, again in a way that creates 2 smaller bubbles. And once again, twist them together as shown in the video. Remember to check if the balloons are not too tight, and if needed, squeeze them gently to push some air into the free space. At the end of one balloon, make a bubble, then fold a section of the balloon, twist it, and pass the bubble through the loop you just made. Do the same with the second balloon, making sure the balloons are fairly symmetrical. The legs of our alien are ready. You can bend and press them a little to form knees. Time for the head of our cosmic friend. I'm using a ready-made balloon with the right print, but if you don't have one, I'll show you an alternative in a moment. In this case, place a 12-inch balloon head inside a transparent balloon of the same size. First, inflate the transparent balloon. Just a few pumps with a double-action hand pump are enough. Now inflate the actual alien head balloon. This technique makes the balloon look more interesting. If you don't have a transparent balloon, the effect will still be great. When the alien's head reaches the desired size, tie both balloons together with a single knot. Use the end of the balloon head to attach it to the alien's body by wrapping it around the small bubbles you made in the first phase of twisting. Now let's make the alien's hands. I'll use a 5-inch black balloon. Of course, you can use any color you have at hand. Inflate it slightly, tie it off, and twist it into 2 equal parts. Insert them into the place where the alien's arms are twisted, and twist again to secure them so they don't detach from the rest of the balloon figure. The alien is ready, but what if you don't have a printed balloon head? You can make such a head from a green balloon? You'll find a tutorial on how to do that on our channel with the direct link in the video description. Also, consider subscribing to see more of our balloon decorations and balloon figures, not only space-themed ones. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next balloon lesson on our channel.